Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of the Box Breakers here at Joe's Card Shop. We have special guest Devon, also known as Devon.
Yeah, hello.
Hello again. Good to have you back.
Yeah, great to be back.
I haven't seen you since the last pre-release.
Yeah.
And we are also here with Edo.
What's up?
There she is. Everybody's favorite on the channel. Anyway, here's Joe's Card Shop. Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. So what do we got here? I've got my 3 packs. Devon's got 4 packs that he's going to be opening. There you go. So let's crack into these. These are Pokemon Team Up.
If we like go together with like
Pokemon Team Up. All right. Here we go.
I have my
Let's see here. I forget how to do that, so I don't give anything away. So we'll be doing a separate. I'm going to do a separate video where we're going to give all of our codes away in a separate video here in just a little bit. It's going to be dedicated to Johnny Bravo. He called me out for not having any code cards. I told him I'd do an entire video dedicated to him, Johnny Bravo. So be on the lookout for that, and you'll get all the code cards all in the same video. So here we go. Do you have to do the pack trick?
Yeah, it's up to you.
It's Johnny Bravo with 3 ends.
Yo, I'm good. Yeah, I like doing the pack tricks that build suspense. Everyone loves suspense.
All right, Viridian Forest. Haven't seen that one yet. Tentacruel, Ingo and Emmett, Squirtle, Bronzor. What is that?
Klefki.
Klefki. That's cool. Pidgey, Emolaga, Squirtle, Reverse Hollow, and
they're like super high now.
what is that? Nido King. Very cool. People are pulling all sorts of crazy GX and full arts all around us here at the Pokemon pre-release.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. Whoever pulls
All right.
get rid of it.
Green Energy, Rapid Dash,
You don't have to play your swords.
Electro Charger, like that one. Hitmonchan, Litten. Oh, that one's cool. Look at that. Look at that artwork. That's cool. I like that one. Grimmer, Execute, Larvitar, Meowth, Dragonair Reverse Hollow, and Lapras. Alright, pack number 3, and then Devon's got his 4 packs. We'll switch spots and you can jump in here. Just watch your arm on that thing. You can do whatever. You don't have to give away your code cards. You out of here, Abe? What are you doing?
No.
Oh, okay. Nothing so far. Golduck, Double Blade, Tentacruel, Alolan Grimmer, like that one. Grimer, I call him Grimmer. Grimer. Ponyta? Mareep, haven't seen that one. There's Charmander.
But that's what he's in the hospital.
Honedge,
I go in there and I'm like,
Emolaga, and Bisharp. Nothing. Alright, you're up, Devon.
My turn. Devon, you mind if I just open your box, right? Or do you want to open it?
walk out because he was ready.
You must, I guess.
Yeah?
Let's still be yours.
Let's put your stuff to the
My
side.
stuff off to the side. You want to open them? Jump
Yeah,
back here.
alright. I'll do 2 and then you'll do the last 2, okay?
Oh, look at you guys.
Alright, so I'm going to open these 2. I'll start with this.
I actually want to play this completely red.
2, 3, 4. Alright. Dark energy. I love the way these new energies look. Alright, so first one, Vulpix, Bishop or Poniard, Alolan Geodude, Mankey, Pancham, Pupitar, Pokemon Communicator, Hitmonlee, Squirtle, and ooh, Mr. Mime. That's pretty cool. That was like 2 sets ago. So like this one covers the.
Oh, the opposite?
Yeah, this one covers odd numbers, whereas the other one covers the even.
pod system.
I'm a nope on that one.
Yeah.
I was going through
alright.
100.
Alright, and my other pack?
Wait, how many packs did we get?
Now,
4.
120 will last me a month. But they're so
2, 3, 4. Move that aside. Ooh, that's pretty.
yeah, he'll go in with
Ferocity, Pidgeotto, super good. Love that new ability. Airmail, look at the top 2. Put one in your hand and one at the bottom. That's super good. Staryu, Charmander, Litten, Nanu, a pretty good supporter. That to the side. Hitmonlee, Toolblade, which I'm going to use and make a new deck with that. Judge Whistle and ooh, a Jirachi.
Let's see if this helps.
Does it?
Does it help or hurt?
Hurt.
It hurts.
Yeah. That's a little bit too bright. Yeah.
Especially with the holographic cards.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Now I'm going to switch it up and let Edo here take over. Last 2 packs.
Good
What's up,
luck.
my dudes?
Good luck, Edo.
We got these guys here. Lovely. My arms are too short. Let's get close to the camera. Alright. I'm short for everything. Don't be short, guys. You can't reach the top shelf of anything. Or knock down the camera. Alright, we good?
Yeah.
You got it.
I am terrible. Alright, energy. Psychic. Okay, cool.
Good seeing you again, John.
Alright, need arena. Where are we putting the comments over here?
Yeah, just right there.
Dual blade.
Dual blade.
You want that over there?
Side, yeah.
Flappy, Pancham, Voltorb, Klefki, Charmander, Mankey, Zora, Starmie. Wait, did I just?
Yeah, that's
a
what the
rare.
holo.
Okay, fine. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Alright, what is rare? Alright, next pack, last pack of magic.
200.
1, 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. Dark energy. That goes on the front, right? Yeah. Okay. It's been a
Ooh,
while.
Sabrina.
Sabrina's suggestion. When does she suggest things?
Super suggestive.
It's not. What? A Alolan Growler. Nita? I have.
That's not too bad.
I've not seen you.
If your opponent activates a basic, discard an energy. Or put the basic one on. Put an energy on top of their deck. So that's not too bad.
Oh, okay. Cosmog. Voltorb. Squirtle. Bronzor. Klefki. And. One Edge. I am like.
Ooh, another Jirachi.
Look at that. That's the one I love. This is my baby.
Look at that.
Double rainbow. Just kidding.
You see those? We're
Yeah.
gonna use this for. Wait, what should we use for the thumbnail? We'll either use this. Hold those up there. Nice. Or wait for focus. Okay. Or show the GX.
Do
Oh,
this.
3 of them. Just show the one.
I would just
one
say-
GX.
I would say Jirachis, to be honest.
The Jirachi?
Prettier.
Oh, geez, Jirachi.
Show the one GX though off,
Okay.
just by itself.
There you go.
Let it focus for a sec. Perfect. Thumbnail options.
Awesome. All right. Thanks, guys.
Tell them to like and subscribe and all that good stuff.
Yeah, like and subscribe, guys. It's been great.
See you next time.
See you around.
Here on the Box Breakers. We're out.
All right.